Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential airdrop called Ecolink AI, which is an app. The actual project name is Ecosapiens. You can find more details on their website. As you can see, they've already raised $5 million in funding. And the good news is their airdrop is confirmed. If we look at their investors, some tier 2, 3 and 4 investors are backing and supporting this project. If you visit their X handle right now, you'll see they have 107k followers and they share lots of information there. This is another positive sign for the project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message, you'll find all the airdrops I'm personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide the link in the description. Simply click that link and you will land on the page. To participate in the airdrop, you need to enter your email and then click send magic link. Check your email and you'll find your login details. Click login to my account and you'll see a page like this. You can also use the Android app, which is available on the Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, you can download the app from the App Store. Ecolink is an AI e-commerce app. Basically, you can upload any product photo for a scan and you'll find details about the product. Click on the menu icon, quest section where you'll see some tasks. In the Claim Mega section, you can connect your wallet. For example, I'll select MetaMask. Click connect and it's done. Go back to the page and for example, I'll upload a product here. As you can see, you'll find lots of information about the product. Also in the referral section, you can generate your referral link and share it with friends to earn more points. But it's not over yet. You also need to complete Zeely tasks. I'll provide the link in the description. Here you need to connect your Zeely account and complete all these tasks. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.